You see a person through colors when you are no longer beneficial to their life. Your mind is a garden, your thoughts are the seeds. You can grow flowers or you can grow weeds. Never apologize to others for their misunderstanding of who you are. It's not what you look at that matters, it's what you see. Train your mind to be grateful, think positively, and manifest what you want. People come and go in your life, but the right ones will always stay. Trust yourself, you have survived a lot and you will survive whatever is coming. Me around time is so special. It's not selfish, it's how I take care of myself. Don't be afraid, speak up yourself. Keep fighting for your dreams. Good night. In solitude, I find my answers. People come and go in your life, but the right ones will always stay. Trust is like a paper. Once it's granted, cannot be perfect again. Don't keep following the same things to upset you. Life's too short to live that way.